Technical RPA. This video we are going to discuss about Python interpretation and as well as indentation levels. So main thing of Python is indentation. So what is indentation? So indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of the code line. So when you are writing function in Python, you should follow indentation spaces for each and every line. If you write the code with the correct indentation, then only the Python will run and execute and you can debug the code. Otherwise you will get the error. Just I'm running that how indentation will work. So just I got returning a function. I'm executing on it. Here you can see the Excel file path equal to indentation error unexpected indent. Here I have to give as initial, I have to give space here, and without giving spaces it has to write as a Excel file path. Because of that, the indentation error happened. Now I am running the code. Here you can see that particular error has been not occurred. So indentation will vary and it will changes based on the areas. For example, I am writing a function format underscore change. Inside that I will give Excel file path and CSV file path. Here you can see my cursor is here after the bracket. When I click enter, you can see, but usually when we are giving function, you have to give colon and give enter. It will automatically went through the particular spaces. If you write here, you will get indentation error. You will definitely get indentation error. But if you give a function and give the enter, now you can write your next line of code. Read Excel, read something. In the next line, if you give enter here, the next line it will go here, and if you want to call this function format underscore changer and your file path. Okay, so this is the way the indentation will work in Python. The main thing of Python is that you have to set proper level of indentation for each and every line. For example, here I am setting, if I writing this type, okay, I'm running on it. So you will automatically get the red line code. Here you can see indentation error, unexpected indent. So just I'm deleting on it. Also you can see still the indentation error has not went. So just I'm giving without space, I'm giving, and now I'm running. The error has been removed. So I'm using Google Colab, so the indentation will give directly as a error, debugger error, and you can easily remove it. But if you use VS Code or other Jupyter or other tools, so directly you cannot get indentation errors. When you compile the code, you will get the indentation errors. So whatever you are writing code in Python, make sure you followed the indentation levels as expected. So Python as well, it will give space, proper area. Suppose here you can see I'm using import pandas as PD. Automatically cursor will come into here, but here cursor will come directly here. So this is the way the indentation levels will be followed based on coding standards. Otherwise you will get the error, the indentation failures. Thank you guys, thanks for watching this, and the next video we will see some more information.